Hi, this is section 2 of our executive business plan. Kind of a recap. Our product is a anxiety pencil, which is supposed to reduce the anxiety during test taking. We started off by talking about the economics of our business. So we started off by saying how we could mass produce the pens and pencils by fairly cheap, and that we'll get our raw materials in bulk, and also how our startup would be fairly cheap because of our low raw material costs, our assembly costs, and just a huge market that we're in, and just the massive demand for these pencils in general. Then we went on to the marketing plan. We set our philosophy to be marketing concept philosophy, which is basically just having our consumers' needs and wants and top priority. Then we went on to talk about the way we would market. So we'd say we would do social media would be our top way, just because our target audience is students from elementary school all the way up to top universities. And we just think that that age group nowadays is always on social media every day, hours a day even, and we just think that's the easiest way to connect with our audience. We also said another way we could market was kind of traveling different schools, universities, high schools, and just kind of giving a demonstration or a field day of how it works, why it works, how to use it, and things like that. Then we went on to pricing. We said we would do cost plus pricing, which is just marketing up our manufacturing costs. So I gave a little explanation here. It takes $6 to make a pencil, we'd sell it for $9, which would be a 50% markup price. Just kind of cement our profit into that's not a problem. So we just don't bankrupt immediately or something like that. Our sales tactics, we said that we would start off by using online, selling online, and hopefully gain success there. And then we kind of move to selling in bulk to big corporations like Walmart, Walgreens, and just anywhere that sells school supplies. Then we went on to say publicity, get free publicity by offering free pencils to students in different grades. This would be a huge way to actually get reviews and to start off kind of how our pencil works with different age groups. So say it may work extremely well for university students, high school students, junior high students, but then you kind of get down to middle school and elementary, and it may be a distraction almost with a fidget pen, or they might do worse. But we wouldn't know that unless we did this, gave them free, and kind of experimented with it. So that'd be a huge way to be able to kind of tell which grades are most effective in. Then we went on to management team. We just kind of said that begin with a few people that just operate the machines, and then as we expand, we could transform to a top-down structure where just owners appoint managers who then manage the line workers. And going from publicity, that actually circles back to our selling cycle. So you'd say basically getting reviews would help the selling process by demonstrating the process, experimenting firsthand of the effectiveness of the product through our own trial, and just be able to make sales to customers by having those reviews and having that experience. And yeah, that's about it. This section was fairly easy, not easy, but like understandable. The only thing I was confused about was the pricing. I really didn't know where to pull out the prices from. You said that like what price will we list our product as, and I didn't know where to pull. I kind of just pulled these numbers out of thin air. We really don't have any like companies selling this product, so we can't really compare at all. So it was just confusing for me for just trying to figure out a price, just kind of pulled these numbers out of nowhere. That was about it. That's the only thing I was confused about. Everything else seemed pretty good. I think we're doing pretty well. I'm looking forward for your feedback to see how we're doing. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.